Is your Chromium-based browser not responding? When you go to a page, you click update, doesn't work, can't open a new page, can't reload, just says oh snap, no, nothing there. And if you go to another Chromium-based browser, or you can't even go into settings, nothing happens. So if you have this issue, it should be actually on all your Chromium-based browsers. So here we have another one. This is Opera. You can see there is this exact same issue. We can't go into settings. We can't do anything. So you can't restart the browser. It won't fix the issues. You'll actually need to restart the computer in order to solve this issue. So go down to your computer, close off all programs and save, of course, and then you'll just click restart. Wait for it to boot up again, and when you get in there, you can see the browser is working again. So this is actually the quickest way to fix this issue. If this helped you, please like the video, stay tuned, and join our YouTube memberships if you really liked it. In any case, this is your host, Gmodism, and we're signing out until next time. So yeah, there we go. Have a great time, and bye bye.